What up YouTube, it's your boy Damino once again. I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to do our weekly forex market analysis. So guys, if you are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button for your boy, like the video, comment down below. So guys, if you are an old subscriber, hit the like button, share the video, comment down below. As I said guys, I don't sell anything in the forex space. I don't do forex mentorship. I don't sell signals, and I don't sell forex courses. So the only thing that you can do for me is just hit the like button for your boy, comment down below, subscribe to the channel, share the video guys. So let's get into the video.
We normally start with the Forex Factory. As you can see here, I'm on their website. So using Forex Factory is for free, guys. You don't have to pay any. So now starting on Monday the 7th of August, we have CHF medium impact news at 9 a.m. We also have USD news low medium impact, which is at 2:15 p.m. And then on Tuesday we have at 3:30 we have AOD news, NAB business confidence. On Wednesday, 3:30 a.m. we have Chinese CPI. So we cannot focus on that one. That we can leave that one out. So and then at 5 a.m. NZD inflation expectations, and at 7 past 1 p.m. we have USD medium impact 10-year bond auction. On Thursday we have on Thursday August the 10th we have at 2:30 p.m. we have USD CPI news, and CPI here USD core CPI, and we also have USD unemployment claim. So at 10:15 p.m. we have USD low medium impact FOMC member hacker speaks, and on Friday August the 11th at 8 a.m. we have GDP. We also have this one is a high impact expected, and we have GBP premium GDP, which is a medium impact. At 2:30 p.m. we also have USD news, which is a high impact expected. Core PPI. We also have USD PPI month. We also have at 4:30 p.m. we have USD news, which is a high impact expected. We have premium consumer sentiment. We also have a medium impact with a premium inflation expectation. That is all we have, guys. So now let's get into the charts to see our technical analysis. Okay, as you can see, as usual, we start with the DXY analysis. As you can see on DXY, we are bearish. We broke structure. Now I was expecting this pullback. So now we already feel this inefficiency, this imbalance which is here. So now we price return 10 back, and let me move on H4. On H4, as you can see, on H4 we have a change of character. I'm waiting for price now to pull back here, and then for price to pull back, and then it sells. So we're targeting this low here. So that's my view on DXY, guys. As you can see, we already filled this imbalance, price inefficiency, which is here. Price turn back, we create a choke, we are waiting for a pullback, and then it goes down. So that's my view on DXY, guys. So now let's look at Euro USD. Now looking at Euro USD, guys, as you can see, guys, I was waiting for this choke to happen. We already tapped into this demand zone, which is here. Now we received a change of character. We had a break of structure. We are in an uptrend, as you can see. So now we received a change of character on H4. So I'm just waiting for price to pull back here. If price pulls back here and at this demand zone, and then I buy here, targeting this high here. So if you use trend lines, if you are one of those traders that use trend lines, if your strategy is based on trend lines, you can just drop a trend line like this, and then you wait for what? You wait you wait for price to break, and then you wait for a pullback, and then you buy. So as for me, I don't trade trend lines. So that's my view on Euro USD, guys. Now let's look at GBP USD. GBP USD, as you can see, we tapped into this demand zone. Now that is where we reversed. So This is a break of structure. This is our break of structure. We are waiting for a pullback now. The pullback is almost done. So I'm just waiting for a change of character. If price open on Monday and goes up to create a change of character, because this was our last break of structure to the downside. So it was our lower higher. So if you break this lower higher to make a higher higher, then it will be nice. So I'll just after once a change of character happen, I'll wait for price to pull back. If price pull back into this zone or this zone, because we have two zones, we have this one and we have this one. As you know, GBP USD likes to pull back. It likes these deep pullbacks. So if you are one of those traders that trade lines, you can just put your trend lines like this. You wait for a break of a trend line, you wait for a pullback, and then you buy. As for me, I don't trade a trend line. I don't use trend lines in my strategy. I use SMC, smart money concept, smart money strategy. So I will wait for a change of character. After a change of character is made, I will wait for price to pull back into these two demand zones, and then that is where I can buy. Targeting where targeting this higher, because this one it will be a confirmed higher low. This is a confirmed higher low is for because we are in an uptrend. So that's my view on GBP USD. Now looking at USD JPY, let's look at the USD JPY. As you can see at USD JPY, we are we are bearish, guys. We are bearish. As you can see, there is our change of character. So we came and fill in this imbalance which is here. So this is where the our imbalance is. Price inefficiency. Our imbalance has been here. So it price fill it and then reversed. After price reversed, we made a change of character. A change of character is visible on H4. Now let's shift to H4. As you can see on H4, this is our change of character. This is our change of character, guys. This is our change of character. So I'll wait for price to pull back. I'll wait for price to pull back here. Once price pull back, and then we sell after price pull back. We already in a buy. I mean, we are already in a sell. As you can see, we are already in a sell. We ended here. We ended here after price already filling this imbalance which is here. So I will wait for a second entry. After a second entry in a pullback, if a pullback happens, I'll wait for candlestick patterns, price pattern to form here, to form a this, to form here. If it forms here, and then I'll enter a sell for the second entry. So that's my view on USD JPY. Now let's look at USD CHF. USD CHF, as you can see, I was waiting for price to come back at this big supply zone. So but then it didn't happen. So we just price just came into this price just came into this supply zone which is here, and then it reversed. We have a change of character. So after a change of character, I will wait now for what? A change of character has happened already, as you can see here. If you draw a trend line, as you can see here, price already break out and a retest has happened. We have a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern. So we are waiting for price to drop. We are waiting for price to drop. So now for me now, I will just wait now for price. If price goes back up and then it sells, I will enter my entry here. I will enter my entry here and I will put my stop loss somewhere up here. So targeting this low, here. That is my plan on USD CHF. But if you didn't get it, I will just be monitoring. I will be monitoring the price to see what is happening there. If we break to the upside to grab liquidity, then it will be a nice confirmed sell. So now that's my view on USD CHF. That's my view on USD CHF. Okay, now let's look at gold. Let's look at gold. Now looking at gold, as you can see, I was already in a sell entry here. I was already in a sell entry. And that was a nice sell entry. It was a nice sell entry. So you can see we entered here. So we have a change of character and we wait for price to pull back into this supply zone, and then we sold here. So now what am I waiting now? I'm waiting for a choke now. Price already tapped into this this is our demand zone. Price already tapped into this demand zone. So now what do I do now? So as for me now, I'm just waiting for a change of character. If a change of character happens, and then if a change of character happens, and then we buy gold. After a change of character happen, we buy gold. So this is where I will look to enter gold. This is where I will look to enter gold, guys. This is where I will look to enter gold. A 1 to 4 or a 1 to 5, a 1 to 3 risk reward ratio. As you can see here, this is just a pullback, guys. This is just a pullback which is making higher high, higher low. I mean lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and we are expecting now a higher high, a higher high. If you have higher high is a confirmed, then we buy at this zone, at this zone, at this zone. So that's my view on gold, guys. I'm just waiting for a change of character to happen here. If a change of character happens here, and then we wait for price to come back and retest this zone, and then we buy. Now where do we put our demand zone? This is where our demand zone is. So yeah, that's my view on gold, guys. That's my view on gold. Now let's look at Bitcoin. Looking at Bitcoin, guys, as you can see, guys, we had a sell here. We ended our sell here after price came and made a change of character here. Price made a change of character, and then we sold here. So there was news, even there was news. So now for now on Bitcoin, we still have to move down. We still have a long way to move down. So down now. So I'm just waiting for price now to move down. I'm in this cell, so targeting this zone here. So this is where my demand zone is. So and this is where I will look to buy Bitcoin. So I will just wait. I will just be patient and wait. Or if we break off structure to the upside, and then if we have a change of character to the upside, then that is where I will look to buy. So for now, I'm just waiting for price to come back at this zone. So we are no more interested in buys for now. I'm in a sell after a break of structure to the downside here. So I'll just be patient. That's my view on the Bitcoin. That's my view on Bitcoin. So now let's look at US dollar card. US dollar card. Now looking at US dollar card, guys, that was my view on US dollar card. But then I can see that we broke structure to the upside. We broke structure to the upside now. So maybe we are just going to get liquidity, and then to fill this imbalance, and then we sell. So as I can see, we are just waiting for price to fill this imbalance here, and then we sell here. So that is my target or for US dollar card. That's my target for US dollar card, guys. That's my target for US dollar card. As you can see, we are just going to grab liquidity where this equal higher. This is our equal higher. So those are places where, as you know, if you checked my video for where to find liquidity, you will find liquidity at those double top and double bottom. You will find liquidity at those double top and double bottom, guys. It is where liquidity is. It is where liquidity is. So I'm just waiting for price to come back and fill this inefficiency and then tap into this supply zone and then we sell. So that's my view on US dollar card, guys. That's my view on US dollar card. As you can see, we are in a downtrend. We are breaking structure to the downside. So now let's look at US 30. Let's look at US 30. US 30. So as you can see now on US 30, we have a break of structure to the upside. As you can see, guys, we have a break of structure to the upside. So we are bullish. As you can see, we are bullish. We are making higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So we are expecting a higher low to form where it's either at these are demand zone. So we have a long way to move down. As you can see on daily, we have a long way to move down. So I'm only interested in buys when we get to this zone. When we get to this zone, that is when I'm interested in buy. So for now, US 30 is in a downtrend on lower time frame. So for me, I'm only interested if price comes back at this demand zone. So that is my view on US 30, guys. Now let's look at Nasdaq. So as for me, now price is about to tap in this demand zone. So I'll only look to enter. I'll only look to enter a buy when the price comes back at this demand zone. As you can see, if price comes at this demand zone, then we enter a buy. Guys, like the video, share the video, comment down below if any setup that you would like us to cover on. We have a free Telegram where we drop our setups that we take every day. You don't have to pay. As I said, I don't sell anything in the forex industry. I do not sell anything. I don't sell forex courses. I don't sell signals. I don't sell I don't do mentorship. So I'm doing this for free, guys. So for you, the only thing that you can do for me is just smash the like button, subscribe to the channel and hit on the notification bell so that you won't miss out on our next upload. So guys, my views on NAS is this. So I'm just waiting for price to come and tap in this demand zone and then we buy. So that's where I target. So my target is at this. My target is somewhere just here at this. My target is somewhere at this. So I'm just waiting now for price to come back here. So that's my view on Nasdaq, guys. So that's all I have, guys. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment down below, join our free Telegram group. It's for free, you don't have to pay anything. So bye, guys.